Hi everyone. Today we are going to be doing a general knowledge quiz for you. So yeah, it's just going to be a bunch of random questions about various topics. So we're just going to test your general knowledge. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So let's get started. I have all my questions in my little notebook. So we have the first question. How many cards are in a standard deck of playing cards? How many cards are in a standard deck of playing cards? Also, let me know if you like the audio better for this one, because I'm using like an actual microphone, not my Yeti mic, but a different microphone. So, because someone said the volume was a little bit low, so just wanted to test this out. But do you know how many? There are 52 in a standard deck of playing cards. 52 cards. The second question. Weighing around 8 pounds, what is the human body's largest organ? Sorry. What is the human body's largest organ? It weighs around 8 pounds. This one can be surprising, I think, to a lot of people. Do you know the answer? Well, it was the skin. Our skin weighs about 8 pounds. That's crazy. Alright. The next question. What occasion corresponds with the longest day of the year? What is the longest day of the year called? Do you know what the longest day of the year is called? Well, it's called the summer solstice. The summer solstice. Alright, question 4. What is the only food that can never go bad? I feel like all foods go bad. I don't know. But there is an answer. What is the only food that can never go bad? Well, the answer is honey. Question 5. What is Prince Harry's official first name? What is Prince Harry's official first name? Do you think you know it? Well, the answer is Henry. Question 6. What is an 8-sided shape called? An 8-sided shape. An 8-sided shape. Do you know what an 8-sided shape is called? Well, I think you got it. It's called an octagon. An octagon. Alright. Question 7. Which 3 zodiac signs are water signs? This is kind of hard if you aren't familiar with zodiac signs. But, yeah, just general knowledge. So every topic. Do you think you know? Maybe you are one of these signs. Well, the answer is Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. The next question. I think I'm getting sick. My voice is weird. Anyway, the next question is question 8. In human anatomy, what does the hallux refer to? I think I'm saying that right. Hallux. Hallux? What does that refer to? Wow, do you think you know it? I wouldn't have known this, but it's okay. It refers to the big toe. So your big toe is called a hallux or something, however you say it. Anyway, The next question is, what is the only planet in our solar system to rotate clockwise on its axis? What is the only planet in our solar system to rotate clockwise on its axis? Well, the answer is Venus, Venus, Venus. The next question, question 10. How many states does the Appalachian Trail cross? How many states does the Appalachian Trail cross? Do you know how many states the Appalachian Trail crosses? Well, I'm going to tell you. It crosses 14 states. Dang. Alright, the next question, question 11. What do you call a group of flamingos? Flamingos, 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 flamingos. What do you call a group of flamingos? Well, I will tell you what you call a group of flamingos. A flamboyance. A flamboyance. That's so cute. I love flamingos. I shall flip over the page to the next questions. Okay, next question is question 12. Nearly all fossils are preserved in what type of rock? What type of rock are nearly all fossils preserved in? What type of rock are nearly all fossils preserved in? Sorry. Well, the answer is sedimentary, sedimentary rock, sedimentary, sedimentary. The next question, question 13. What year was Earth Day first celebrated? What year was Earth Day first celebrated? Well, if you know it, it's 1970. 1970 was the first year Earth Day was celebrated. I feel like it should be earlier, but I don't know. Anyway, question 14. How many points does the Star of David have? How many points does the Star of David have? Do you know how many points the Star of David has? This is question 14, and there are 16. Well, the answer is 6. The Star of David has 6 points. Alright. Question 15. What is the 5th sign of the Zodiac? This is also another Zodiac question, so if you don't know your Zodiac signs, this could be pretty hard. What is the 5th sign of the Zodiac? The Zodiac, the Zodiac. Let me know in the comments if you guys, believe in not astrology. Wait, is that what it's called? Do you just, believe in, the Zodiacs? Because there's, always, oh, if you're the Zodiac sign, you possess these traits. I don't know if I believe in it. I don't know. Because it's kind of I don't know. Anyway, back to the questions. What is the 5th sign of the Zodiac? The Zodiac. Well, the answer is Leo, 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 Leo. And the last question, question 16. The first iPhone was released in what year? What year? What year? What year? Do you know when the first iPhone was released? Oh my god, I'm tripping over my words. Do you know what year? Well, it was 2007. 2007 was when the first iPhone was released. Yeah, that's it. I hope you did. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I bet you did really well because, I don't know, I just have that feeling. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.